We're back from Germany, and first of all, a happy new year to everyone, and thanks a lot for all the nice comments and personal messages we got after the last video. That felt really good. The trip to Germany was really good to get away, to get some perspective, also to rest a little. On the other hand, 4 of us got sick, so that wasn't as nice, and it was really hard because we changed places a lot, spent some time with the family, then went to a housing community, stayed in different places there wherever some space was available, and it was really strenuous, and it was also very cold. Maybe that's also why 3 of the 4 kids caught a cold and are coughing and are still coughing. And yeah, one of the main reasons we went there was the birthday party of my youngest daughter. There's nothing she wished for more in the last couple of months than to have her birthday, which is in the beginning of January, which just happened, and to spend this birthday with her friends in Germany. And so we tried to make that possible, invited a lot of people. And and the night before the birthday, she got really sick. We managed to get her fit enough to enjoy the birthday a little bit, but it was just a very tough time. And riding back, 20-hour car ride with 3 kids that were sick wasn't easy as well. My wife has also been sick since we left here with a cough, and so it was just very tough. So the next few weeks are gonna be really important for our project, because we have a baby in middle or end of February, maybe beginning of March. So we have about 6, 7, 8 weeks until that happens and puts a break to the work for sure. Until then, there's a lot of stuff that needs to happen, including some work I have to do, also on my work that I do in Germany, where we have to hand in an application for a large funding for a large project in the coming years. And here in the house, we really need to get the bathroom ready. So I made a plan, and here's what I think I will do to get all of this done. So number 1 is no side projects. I'm not gonna spend much time in the garden or any time in the garden doing anything else. I'm not gonna work on getting the piano tuned better or working properly. Anything like that is off the charts, so to say. Number 2 is I need to focus on staying healthy. That means I'm gonna get up every day at the same time. Early in the morning, I'm gonna be stretching and warming up my muscles before I start working here. We're gonna eat healthy, of course, and just put a lot of discipline into not getting sick, because what I realized over this trip is I cannot afford to get sick at all in the coming weeks. Another part of the plan is to simplify the whole YouTube thing to the bare minimum. What I think I'm gonna do is to do a video like this every week, maybe every 2 weeks, where I just sit down, quickly go through what we did, maybe have a little bit of footage of what we did, and then post it, and not spend any time additionally on editing the videos, because that takes up time that I just don't have. Well, that's the plan. We'll see how it works. I'll keep you updated. I want to continue doing that because it gives me a lot of, it sounds strange, but it gives me a feeling of community and stability to post these videos and get some feedback on it. So I'll just try to simplify it, but still do it. And that's all for this Sunday. And I'll get going, and I hope you have a wonderful start to the year.